How to fix Telegram application not working on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing some kind of glitch or your Telegram is simply not being opened, and in that case what you might want to do is first just head over to your device's settings. So once you do inside your device's settings, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is apps, and once you select it, just locate, or you can also search in for Telegram application just like this. So once you locate the Telegram application, just tap on that and simply scroll down and click on the storage option. So once you tap on the storage, just clear all the cache and clear all the data as well from over here. Just click on clear all the cache from over here. So once you do all of that, finally just restart the Telegram application and it should work correctly. And if it's still not working for some case, then you can just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for Telegram application itself. And once you search in for that, make sure you have updated the application to its latest version, so there are no bugs available or left. So once you do all that, Telegram application should be working correctly. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.